Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are trying to prank your friends or trying to spam them with hundreds of messages, then this is how you can do it. Since you cannot do it directly on the WhatsApp app, you will need a third-party software that will repeat your text. So for that, we will go to Play Store and search for text repeater. Download the first app that you will see, and after downloading it, open the app. After you open the text repeater app, type on how many times you want to repeat the number, let's say 500 times. Then type your text here. Let's type something random. After completing these steps, tap on repeat text. As you can see, your text has been repeated 500 times. So simply copy it by tapping on this icon. Now go to WhatsApp and open the chat of the person that you want to spam message. Go to message, then paste the thing that you recently copied. Now, as you can see, you have spammed multiple messages to your friend, and in this way you can prank your friends by spamming them multiple or hundreds of messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video.